Welcome to the 6th Android application development tutorial. My name is Robin, and the objective of this video is to create a splash background in the XML layout file. We'll then inflate this XML layout file in the Splash class and then set this activity to launch first. So the first thing we need to do is get the background image for the Splash layout file. So here's my background image that I want, and it needs to be about 400 pixels by 600 pixels, and have it save in lowercase with the PNG extension. Then if we go and find our workspace, so we go to computer, go to the C drive, go to users, user, then go to the workspace, find our tutorials folder and the resources folder, and then we've got the drawable folder here, and that's where I'm going to place my background image. So if we go to Eclipse and go project and clean, we'll then just refresh all these folders in this tutorial project folder here, and then we should see our Splash image just there. So the next thing we need to do is make a XML file called Splash. So in the layout folder down here, we've got the Splash XML file here, and just set the background to be the drawable folder, or to look in the drawable folder and find the Splash file. And there you go, you can see it's working. And the next thing we need to do is create the linked class to this XML file. So if we go to source and go to new and class, and we can set up our Splash class that I've already done. And then again, we're going to have extends activity, so you can use all the methods in the activity class. And one of these methods is the onCreate method, which is the first method to be called when the activity is created. And we've also got this set content view in there, and it'll inflate a layout resource, which in this case is the Splash XML file. So there's the Splash activity sorted. The next thing we want to do is get the Splash activity to launch first, because it's the opening slide of the application. So if we go to the Android manifest, and you can see we have got the Splash class reference there, and we set it to be the main over here in the action, and it's going to be the launcher, and that means it's just going to, when this launcher icon is clicked, it is going to launch this Splash class first, and then we set the other main activity just to be the default, and it should launch it afterwards. So then if we go and test it on the emulator, just click it, click the launch icon, and there we go, we got the Splash screen sorted. So we create the Splash background in the XML just here. We've inflated this XML layout in the Splash class just down here, and then we've set it to launch first by using the Android manifest with the main and launcher. And as you can see, it's not really loading our other activity at the moment, so I'll deal with this in the next tutorial.